Hello friends, welcome to my another coding learning video. Okay friends, today we are going to do one more project of drones. Okay, first I will say you, I will explain you the story, then I will explain you the coding part, and then what I have to do, I will tell you, and then we will do it. And in this video we are not just doing the project this project in the app lab. We have seen last time we have used so many things like variables for not functions, but we have used variables. So in this video I will explain you about that also, and the project also. So okay, first I will explain you the story. So look, this is the John and this is the Sam. So what is the thing? The uh 1 minute. Oh, what is going? So okay, look, John. John is a good person, but he is not a good drone controller. He one time Sam and John was playing with the drone, and John just crashed his plane also, and the Sam's plane also, because he just do accident of the two drones. So because of that, the Sam has been very sad that because of he, my drone has been destroyed, and the birds also will be unsecure uh, because of this. So he's saying us to just do that, make a game in that Sam, that will one boy name will be Sam, and one boy name will be John. So something he has already done for us, and something we have to do. So look what we have to do. 1 minute. He's created the characters. He has created the characters and drone, and he's kept the name of the drones also. Look, this is John, this is Sam, this is John's drone, and we will just change this name. Okay, we will keep it as Sam's drone. Okay, rename this Sam drone. Sam. Sam. Oh, 1 minute. Sam. Sam. Drone. Sam drone. Enter. So look, now this is the Sam's drone and this is the John's drone. So what we have to do? We have to we have to control the 1 minute. We have to control the Sam's drone, and John's drone will be moved. Its behavior will be wandering. So in this, I will teach you about behavior. Means in the play lab also, I will explain you. First, we will just do. First, we will let do this project. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to add a behavior called. First, I will say. So for the behaviors, and to control it, I have to go to sprites, and in sprites, 1 minute. Sorry, we have to directly go to behaviors, and we have to take this block. The spirit begins, and we have to put the behavior over here, and we have to create the behavior for this drone, because of this drone is already created. So we will create of the only this drone. So we will keep its behavior to 1 minute. Moving with arrow keys. Moving with arrow keys, what will happen? It directly we can use this. Now we can use this also, means where's event when up press, that will take a long time. Is sometimes we will use this one and sometimes we will use this one. Okay. Okay, so we have. done this much, and now what we have to do, when this and this drone touches each other, there should come that oops, you lost. Okay, so first, we have to go to event, and we have to use this block. 1 minute. Okay, we have to use this block. We will keep it over here. Okay, not too up or not too down. Okay, so which touches, when this drone will touch this drone, what will happen? We will first, we will go to the, no, not comment text session. We'll go to here. Oops, oops. 1 minute. Exclamation mark. Oops, you lost. Oops, you lost. Oops, oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. The spelling has been incorrect. You lost. Many times I have been also confused in this L and I. If you also confused, please tell it in comment. Okay, now 1 minute. I have to just check one thing. Create a function. Create sprites. Okay. So now we have done all this. Now we will just check it that it is working or not. Okay, look. How we are controlling this. The speed is too slow. Yeah. So we will just look for that speed block, and we will set the speed. I don't know that it's over here or not, but I'm just checking that it's here. Okay, its size block is here. Its speed block. Action. Okay, here it can be. Here it shall be. Set size, change size, jump, move pixels, edges block, bounce off. 1 minute. Okay, here's not the block of speed, I think so. So we should play with this speed only. Oh, I'm pressing wrong. Look, it's working properly. Now we will just look that what will happen when we touch it. Oops, we lost. Okay, so our app is working properly. So okay, this much. Okay, wait a minute. I want to just check a thing. Okay, so we will use one more block for this solution I have for this. We will use the block named edges block. This block, I think it is for new for us. So first let me just keep it like this. So look, edges block is like that. Look, this aeroplane is wandering. Means it will move anywhere like this, but it will not go out of the screen. Why? Because the computer is using no. So for that it will not go out of the screen. But this we are using this no. So it can go out of the screen no. So we will not able to play the game properly. So because of that the edges block is there. If we put the edges block and put this image, so it will clearly become that this means it will not allow it to go out of the screen. Look. Oh, it's going? Hmm. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Oh, why it's going? Eh, nothing. Oh, wait, we will first go to here. Let's try it. We'll put this. We'll put here. Sand drone. Okay. We will put it here. Sand drone. Why it's going? Yeah. Anything, I think it's wrong with anything. Wrong with it. Oh, okay, okay. It can be this because it's too down, no? Because of the sequence, it can be. So first we will check. Okay, shit. It's still going. Okay, we will take it up. Oh, everything's coming. We will first do this thing also, then we will go. First, okay. Run. Ah, we shall not go, yeah. What is this? Let me check the actions. What happened? What why it's being? It just blocked from moving. It just blocked. This is only no. It just blocked. Don't know why it's happening. When I have done it was happening. I have remember 1 minute. Okay, we will just do like this. Show code. Look, this is if you want to see it in text, no. So you can look it from here also. Means not like that. Here we can see all the blocks of text, but in blocks look this much because we have done this much only. So first, okay, now we have completed our this project. Okay, now we will do not another project. I'm saying that we will learn about variable functions. Okay, okay, now it's alright. Okay, 1 minute. I will first explain you about this only. Okay, so we will start from variables only because the variable is a very important thing for it. So look, first variable means a placeholder. Placeholder means you have listened about the text input from me. I will just show you the text input. Text in okay. Look, this is a text input. For now, we can put it anywhere it, but I want to just show you the text input. Look, you have. Oh God, let me show you again. Sorry, I deleted it direct. So look, text input, and here is placeholder. I'll just type it F. Look, what that thing I have typed over here. That thing has come here. You will just write again, okay? Dhruva, Dhruva, Shirsath, Shirsath. We have put here Dhruva Shirsath. Now we will just run. Look, it's coming till here. Now we will just type anything over here. Look, it's coming. Then uh, the placeholder. Placeholder means a variable. Variable means a placeholder. And inside the placeholder, what is this? Is the hint. We can say it in short, in easy words. We can say it hint. For look, uh, we have created called uh, age no, age into hour converter. In that tab, we have to put our age, and it will convert it and say how many hours old we are. Okay, we have created that tab. Now you have been very bold. You are this. I am also not fast in. I'm not so fast in typing. So here I have to put so much of letters. So much of letter. 1 minute, huh? Okay. Look, now you have to put so much things here. You have created the label. You have to set text. You have to set the width, height. You didn't have to set the position, y position. You have to set the color, background color, font family, font size. So this much things you have to do. And look, in text input you have to do like this thing, but in text input you didn't have to create label. You shall not change the id of it, of text input. You can directly put here that write your age here, write, right? Your age, age here, HERE, write your age here. You can directly write it and it will came, but it will be in hint, means it will be come in form of the placeholder, means a variable. And uh and if you type here anything, look, in text input, if you like type anything, it will be the value of the text input. A text input is also a variable, because text input is holding the hint. It is holding the text we are writing in it, right? It's holding these things. So common sense, no, it will be also be a placeholder and a variable, no, right? So this is the variable. Okay, now we will learn about total session. Okay, in total session you can see so many blocks like move forward, move backward, move to dot, turn right, turn left, move to arch right, arch left. Look, now you're thinking, what? Uh, Friends, I'm sorry about this. That again and again I have to pause the video. So sorry, I will not do this mistake again. I will try my best. Okay. So I was on total. Oh, I'm so sorry, friends. I'm doing that. My mother was came to ask me something, so I will not do like this again. Okay. So I'm on total. No. So listen. What is the total? Total. You are listening. What? What is the total? Turtle is an animal, right? Yes, turtle is an animal. But here in the look, to creating the code or .com, here this is a label over here. I'm not teaching you that, but I'm just giving you extra information. So okay, that was just that. So total is mostly you can see the app, like creating arts. I have a nice app named that the dolly art. It is very nice app for the drawing. It is very nice. I have also using it till from so many 1 year or 2 years, because it's a very interesting app. So in that app, that game, they are mostly the coding things are used, text used now. That is mostly the this total, because to make a painting app, to make a painting in the app, like anywhere, you need the main thing is that is the total. Without total you can't do that, because I will just show you. I have not actually functions, no. So when I will explain the functions, now I will just show you that thing. Okay, it's okay. Look, I have explained it about the total of math. Okay, you will easily know about the math, because math is a every person have that subject of math. Everyone know plus, addition, multiplication, division, lesser, greater. So this session is about that only. To make this session is mostly make about to make the apps for calculating, calculation app. Like I have said, that app for converting years into hours. In that app, this math session is used mostly, because for that things the math is very important. Okay, okay, that is the thing. So 1 minute. For this the math session now we will go on. function. So I will not explain you for some of the session like control. Okay, I will explain you about control also, but not now. I'll explain you some means of the functions. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm so sorry. Wait for a minute. Okay, sorry. I have to again and again change the tabs. So I was saying that I will explain you the control session after the this function sessions. I will explain you the canvas of in any another video, and that also I will explain you in another. Till now I will give you information of data that much, that to update anything, and to web searches the data is used, and UI controls are for main thing. I will explain you after the functions only. I will explain you after controls. Okay, so okay, we will continue. I have explained you about total. Okay, now I will explain about function. Function is also a very important thing. This is the for comment. I have also for a description of some code like some things. The comment block is used. Okay, and my function block is used. I will show it you again afterwards. This is also these two blocks are used for same things only. For that I will not explain you this one. I will explain you this and this block, and this block is for this, and these two are same only. Okay, now function. Okay, first I will in design I will add a button. Okay, I will add a button. Okay, here I will add a button. 140 250, 140 252, 140 252, 140 252, 140 252. One minute, how long? I'm not seeing. Okay, I will put it again. I will first add this. Okay, I will add it over here. Okay. I will erase it and I will put any anything. Okay, and I will put this block over here. I will not put it in on event, and here also I will put anything, any anything. Okay, this shall be same only. If you have many functions of this, and so that much you have to create this also, and in for square you can't, for anything you can't create this block two times. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so I will go in total. I will use first. I will use the show one. Show, show, show. I will use this here, and then I will use move forward by 25, move backward by 25, turn right. I will put turn right here. I'm putting anything, huh? Which any block I'm putting. Okay. Now we will just look what is happening. Okay. Look, so you can see the arrow mark like this only that I'm moving, but it's some different from it. So look, what is this? Nothing happens. Why? My code are working, no? 1 minute. Anything. Okay. On event input. Oh, that I put input now because of that. In hurry, I just put input. Reset run. Look, it made the stairs. Oh, it created stairs. I think it will create anything else. any curve shapes it will create. So look, this is the function. So you are thinking I have put this block here and this here on even this. So how it can come over here? Because this is not in the on event also. So look friends, I put here anything and here also anything. Means this is a block of short form. Means look, you have to create for total 4 squares. Over here, here one, here one, here one, and here fourth one. So in that your time will so much of time will gone, so much. So that time will be go waste. So because of that, these blocks are created. So you have to add just 2 blocks, this and this. First you have to give name to the function, but it shall name that same that then it will work. And after it, if you the words are different, it will not work. And it should be not this is small and this is capital, it will be wrong. This is capital and this is small, it will be wrong. It shall compulsory come same thing, okay? And okay, now we will go. So this 2 blocks, because of this thing, these 2 blocks are connected to each other. Oh, sorry. This block is connected to each other by this because of the name. So what I'm saying, for the short means for the what I can say it. Oh, shortcut. Yes, shortcut. For the shortcut, these blocks are made. You have to put the formula of the square only one time. Okay. So only one time you have to put the formula, and then you will just put what is the here x and y position 51 and 30. Here is this. Here is 40 204 and here is 180 204. So you will not put like this directly. You put 4 4. It will get the position by itself. It will be never, because this is a computer, not a human being to have feelings. So after that you have to move 2 blocks and put there that position you want and put again this function anything. It will create the line. So with there also square. Like this is the function works. Okay. So now I have explained you variables, total, math, function. Now I will teach you about controls. Okay. Now controls are for time. It's not for the only time. And some more things that I will clear you. I will say you afterwards. After explaining that about time, then I will explain this blocks. This is not related to times. This block is related to times. Okay. These blocks are used to create a clock app, like time starts, time stop, like that. So okay. So look, get time. This block is used for getting the time from that. If the button click, get the time from that, or multiply the time that it will be have. Clear timeout means just clear the time when the button is clicked, like this. But you want on event button, it otherwise it will not work. I have said it in first video, I think so. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm not remember that. Let it go. And stop timed loop. Okay, first I will teach you the time loop. Okay, so mm, you have to do anything in the 5 milliseconds. Millisecond when the milliseconds are smaller than a second also. When 60 millisecond completes 60 millisecond, then a second completes, and and millisecond start by itself. There's not a small second than millisecond, because millisecond is the smallest number and the fastest. Means it's not a number, it's a speed. Okay. To time loop, you have to do something in. You have to put in the on event block, huh? On event. So I put time loop here, and I put 1000 millisecond means 1 second. Oh, 1 second. Yes, it will be 1 second here that's given some like this, but the formula is not this one. Okay. Hmm. So 1000 means 1 second. Okay. So now okay, and we will put here move forward, turn right, turn left, like this thing. So look, here also it happened in a 1 millisecond. But like anything, we are not using total. We are using seconds. For seconds, we will put for loop. We'll use this loop. But from a time loop, we can use time loop also, like count loop. This is the thing. I will explain you the count loop. But first, let me explain the this loop. You're able to see that is a for loop. No? So how I'm saying count loop? So look, this loop has two names, count loop and for loop. I said it count loop, but my teacher says it for loop. I think yes, my teacher says it for loop. Okay, now we will move forward. Oh, move forward. Oh, and listen, if in your coding like this is there, so first you have to click it over there, because if did not, it will like this only, no, means this line will not work because that line will be paused, and if a thing is paused, it can't work till we resume it. Okay, so look here, stop time loop means time loop didn't have a limit. If you will put that thing, that it will be doing uh, till till we can't till we don't uh, oh god, press the reset button. Yes, till we not press the reset button, it will continuously doing. So for that, the stop time loop is created. So by stop time loop, it will be stop that after stop after that thing, and we should not create the reset button also. Okay, that is the thing. And in UI controls, I explain you this much thing afterwards. So I have completed the video here only, and bye friends. See you again.